Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and since the video is highlighted in this greenish color, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. What's more, those options are kind of different than they were in the standard photo mode. And here we've got, I don't want to say that we've got two different options, but we've got two ways to change the resolution. So as you can see, the resolution is right here in this kind of option bar. So you can change it right here, or you can do it through the settings. It's up to you, of course. I'll show you both options. So now just tap on this resolution, and as you can see, the additional bar will slide down. We've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got 1080p, which is currently applied, and it is notified also right here. It is shown here. We've got 720p or 2K. So in order to change the resolution, we have to simply tap on the option we'd like to, and let me pick 2K. And as you can see, after tapping directly on the option, it will be changed right here, and you will be always able to check the option you've got set. And as I said, you can also do it using the settings. So just enter the settings, and here you've got the video quality. So here you can change it also. It's up to you. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.